Hello, everyone. Are you also preparing for GPAT or CVT? आपने GPAT and CVT दे दी, but अब you have little low marks, looking out for an opportunity in different colleges. So JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore, Ooty has doors open for you. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं एडमिशन प्रोसेस में आपके पास यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, रेगुलर कोर्सेज, अलग अलग आपको कोर्सेज के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. So if you are trying to go for JSS college, the eligibility for the M.Pharm admission, firstly B.Pharm degree with 55% of the aggregate marking आपकी होनी चाहिए. Second thing, you must have a valid GPAT score preferred. So GPAT के through आप enter कर सकते हैं. Another thing, if you do not have GPAT, then also with a management quota or if there are no other seats vacant, you can apply for this college. Admission college is totally based upon the merit, counseling and interview and based on the seat availability, kitni seats hai. So application usually starts from April end to May and the last date to apply is till July. So April end से लेके July तक आपके पास हो जाती है and merit list आपकी August में आती है. Admission start होता है September से and classes also starts from September. So this is your schedule for your JSS college. Now, if you talk about JSS, ये उसकी website आप जाके यहाँ पे उसका देख सकते हो accreditation and rankings. You can also watch out the research section. It is NBA accredited, ISO certified, and also here you can see research. Okay, different research grants, publications, patents, extramural grants. You can see all of the opportunities here. What are the different academic programs that they are providing for the pharmacy? The different M.Pharm, you have pharmacology, pharmacognosy, chemistry, analysis, pharmacy practice, industrial pharmacy. आप जैसे ही हर एक पे क्लिक करते हो, you get a complete information about the eligibility, career prospects, the fees. So it is 3 lakhs per annum, forms and downloads, and course coordinator. So Dr. Suresh. So you have a complete information over here as of each and every course that you wish to apply, right? For the masters. Facilities you can find here. College may has hostel, library and information center, drug testing laboratories, sports facilities, the herbarium garden, the different departments, the faculty profile. Suppose if you're interested in M.Pharm and pharmacology. So you have Dr. Sarvan Babu, Dr. S.N. Manjula, Dr. K.L. Krishna, Dr. Mahalakshmi, Dr. Seema, the different professors here, right? So you can see all of this over here very easily about the faculty profile. And अगर आपको placements देखने तो यहाँ पे placements की information भी है that what are the different hiring companies like Lotus Herbal, Syngene, Novo Nordisk, IQVIA, Bioclinicia, right? Himalaya, Merck, Novartis. These are the different and participants list over here. Pharmacology ki placements. So each and every department placements information also you will get here. So M.Pharm per year fees is approximately 2.5 to 3 lakhs. It's a little high. Plus the hostel fees is approximately 1 lakh per year. तो आप मान के चलो कि आपका पूरा M.Pharm करने में 5 lakh rupees approximately per year जाएंगे. Approx 5 lakhs. So 10 lakh का M.Pharm पड़ेगा. 100 plus seats होती है जिसमें pharmacology 15, statistics 15, industrial pharmacy 15, analysis 15, so on and so forth. And the average package size is around 5 to 6 lakh as per the estimated things. So recruiters, I've already mentioned the recruiters here. If you have a GPAT stipend, that's great. अगर आप GPAT qualified, that will is going to help you. But fees is very high. Of course, return on investment is not that high, but आप definitely apply कर सकते हैं. Maybe your chances increase. So definitely apply and see. Maybe you have some positive thing. So do not hesitate and hopefully, if you want more information with respect to all the other colleges कि अगर आपका GPAT qualified नहीं है या GPAT का score कम है, CUET qualified नहीं है, CUET का score कम है, तो कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिल जाएगी यहाँ पर इसी चैनल पे. सो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ फॉर मोर सच अपकमिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. विशिंग ऑल ऑफ यू गुड लक.